Welcome back to the Sena YouTube channel. So we're trying out the Meshport Red today. See how it hooks up to the GoPro. Sounds over Bluetooth. And I'll be able to get all the boys on it if it works. I've been trying for months, haven't been able to get it to work. Today I've done an update on it and reset the settings. We'll see if it works now. Using the mesh, straight to the Meshport Red that's connected Bluetooth to the camera, and we'll see if it works. We've got this Sena momentum helmet on. This seems to be working. The mesh is not working on my Sena SLL mesh. This is the fourth time I've had problems with that mesh unit. Well, this is the third one that I've changed to. I haven't had the speaker problem. This time it's the mesh isn't turning on. I've actually tried the mesh adapter hooked up to the Bluetooth, and it works. Like everything in the helmet telling me it works, but when I turn the camera on, there's a sound that comes through. That's not coming through. Now as for this bike, I'm back on the night stuff. Haven't had the bike for 13 weeks. So we had 40 engine codes coming up. They couldn't find it, didn't know what it was. Eventually they replaced the BCM and the battery. Eventually they weren't even going to fix it. They got ID warranties void because it was burnt out I done 18 months ago. What's that got to do with the electrical system? They had to be gearbox, belt, or engine, yeah, I might agree with them, but the electrical problems, no way known. But then I've had the brake issue on this bike. Ever since I put the forward controls on, the brakes have not worked. They go, oh, that's the way it is. I said, no, it's not. I said, you're not bleeding it properly. My son's a brake engineer from Ford Motor Company. He has a lot of issues with ABS stuff on the brake. Once it's brake's right, but you have to do it the right way. I told them how to do it, they've done it, the bike is fantastic. You know, this makes ever been since you've gone to Ford controls. Absolutely love it now. The handlebars have changed on the bike. I'm back to the stock low bars, because Mini 8's just made the front end too light, and just wanted the wheel stand all the time. Now I'm leaning a little bit forward on the bars, keeping the weight down. Doesn't want to lift the wheel so much. Now I figured that's something that happened at the weekend. A good friend of ours, Merv, that we're riding with, the six of us on the ride, he missed the bend due to his recent attack. Destroyed his fat boy. They're lucky enough to our friends, both Chris and Wade, have his first aid training. Chris being a firefighter was also a paramedic. And Wade being in the Navy, would have learned a lot of stuff. Seeing those two guys in action, looking after them was really good. What else have these boys done? Bike, after the police came, after it was gone, we need to get the bike home. Went home on the bikes, read the car, the trailer, come back and picked them up. Dave and I stayed there, we were there over 4 hours, waiting for them to get back. You know, that's what friends do for each other. What's a little bit of our time? It was a hot day. There was a lake close by. We moved the bike up to the lake. Even though the bike was destroyed, it was still rideable. Not that it's really good. It'll be a ride-off. But this is what mates do for each other. If you haven't got a mate who will do that sort of stuff for you, it's not worth having. And we've had a lot of that in the past. My friend Paul got sick coming back from Mildura. Well, there was the ambulance. We went to hospital. The boys who went and parked his bike up, come up a couple of days later, picked it up. We all come up and picked him up from the Chico Hospital a week later. Caesar, who was with us, he broke down one day between the arch and Urama, slipped the drive through his belt. He was stuck on the side of the road for 4 hours, waiting for a tow truck to come from Bendigo. Oh, same thing. I stayed there with you. Nothing worse than being stuck on the side of the road there by yourself. Wade, one day we're coming back from the ride. We went past, seen you had a flat tyre, went back. Same thing. We're going to take 4 hours to get someone out there. I ended up spreading down Boardford. I went to Boardford. Ended up having to go to Seymour, got a puncture repair kit, come back and repaired that tyre. Okay, it took 2.5 hours. But we still weren't waiting there for 4 hours. Good friend to look after them.
Fucking fine pair, can't work out how to start it. Spin polish, you'll be fine, mate. No.
David, they're on one on each side. I'm just going to go up the ramp slow, just at the stage. I won't have any footing. That's where you always see the videos, they fall off. Just flip at the back, don't you?
Yeah, I'd get up and walk it up.